expires next year, he said that the ruling All Progressives Congress, APC, was not better than the People's Democratic Party, PDP. In reacting to the letter, PDP described the counsel by Obasanjo that Buhari should not seek a re-election in 2019 as courageous and patriotic, saying the words of the former president has vindicated its position on the ruling the All Progressives Congress, APC, led administration. The party however rejected the call by Obasanjo for a third force, noting that such would amount to replicating the same mistakes that brought Buhari into power in 2015. PDP National Publicity Secretary, Kola Alagbondian, in a statement on Tuesday, said the fact that President Buhari and the APC have irredeemably failed our nation is obvious to all, adding that Nigerians have already taken a determined position against them ahead of the 2019 elections. The party said Obasanjo's counsel has rekindled the fate of the people in the democratic process, stressing however that the solution does not lie in creating another political quicksand in a third force but consolidating on a rescue mission with the repositioned PDP, which Nigerians have already embraced. PDP maintained that repeating the old mistake of congregating political strangers cannot help our nation at this time, more so, when the few concerns raised by the former president about the PDP no longer obtain under the refocused and rebranded PDP. The PDP is now standing on a truly democratic ground that perfectly represents and reflects the hopes and aspirations of all Nigerians irrespective of their class, creed or tribe. That is why our great party has now, more than ever before, become a center of the new patriotic and broad-based engagements by well-meaning Nigerians and coalitions across board, including past leaders, in rekindling our democratic process that places priority on returning power to the people. The fact is that Nigerians overrated President Buhari in 2015, but they have now seen that he never possessed the capacity and the required aptitude to effectively govern our great nation and pilot a healthy economy. This accounts for the reason former President Obasanjo, just like most Nigerians today, are concerned about the quality of presidential candidates to be presented by various parties for the 2019 election. The fact is that while the APC is already caught up with President Buhari, the PDP is open for a new engagement that will throw up the president, which our nation truly deserves at this crucial moment, the party stated.